next chapter we will study about Scratch. Now, adding new sprite from library. So for that, you have to click on choose sprite from library option, right? The sprite library appears and then you can say animal, select a sprite of your choice and you will click OK. And the cat, it is a default sprite in your sketch, but we can also add new sprite on it. Now, वी कैन हाइड द प्रीवियस ट्राइब. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि जो पहली वाली हमारी स्प्राइट थी आप उसको हाइड करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन हाइड दैट आल्सो बाय राइट क्लिक. हाउ टू चेंज द अपीयरेंस ऑफ द स्प्राइट? हाउ you will change it? To change the sprite appearance, we can use costume, the looks category in the block menu. There has instruction to change the appearance of the sprite. So we can see different costume of a sprite by clicking on the costume tab next to sprite tab. To change the appearance, you will follow the steps. You will click on the costume tab to display the list of costumes. Now, click on the scribe tab. Drag the block in the scribe area. You will change the step value. And now drag these blocks in the sprite area. Click off on any block to run the block. Now looks block used in project. So next is change color effect by 20. This block is used to change the color and other graphic effects. Right? Next is next costume. It is used to switch to next costume in the sprite costume. It is used to change the block. एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट का जो साइज होता है उसको क्या करते हैं चेंज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज पेंटिंग न्यू स्प्राइट. नाउ क्लिक ऑन द पेंट न्यू स्प्राइट बटन. Use the different tools to draw a sprite. The paint editor window opens under a costume tab. A new sprite will be added, right? Now, once we have created the sprite, what happened? You can resize this, you can use duplicate, you can grow it and you can shrink it. So for duplicate, it creates another copy of the sprite. Delete, it deletes the sprite. Grow, it increases the size of the sprite. It decreases the size of the sprite. Now, sprite that speak and think. A sprite can say or think in a Scratch project. We can make our sprite speak or think like a character in a comic strip. Any phrase we type into these commands will appear about the sprite and message is displayed permanently. Now, how you will use the look? So for that, click on the look block category in the block menu. Click and drag the save block of the sprite area, right? Click on control block category. Click and drag the scribe. Again, click on looks block category, right? Click and drag on the scribe area. You will type the message, how are you? Now you will drag the block, right? Type in the message, I am fine inside the box. Click on any of the block to run the block stack, right? And your block stack will run like this. Okay, how are you? After 2 seconds, I am fine. Now to move a sprite thing, click on the looks category. Where you will click? You will click on the looks category and click and drag it in the scribe area. Type in the message inside the text space of the block. What you will type? Click on the block to run the block stack. Now look and block used in the project. Say hello. This block is used to say word in a speech bubble. Say hello for 2 seconds. It will speech bubble in the number of seconds. Now think hum. It displays word in the thought bubble. Next is control block used in the project. This block makes the scribe wait for a specified number of seconds and then you will continue with the next clip. Now how to make a duplicate copy of sprite. So for that what you will do, you will click on the pen block category in the block menu. Click and drag stem block and click and drag the pen down. Set pen size 2 also, right? Click on the motion block category in the block menu. Click and drag to move 10 steps of the scribe and you will change the step value. Now click and drag it to the block of sprite. Now pen block used in the project. This block is used to create duplicate copy of the sprite. Now next is repeating actions. Now you want to repeat different actions. So for that the repeat block and control category block menu is used. So for that you will run the specific block inside it in a specific number of times and the repeat instruction control the execution of the program. Now let us make a project on it. You will click on control block category. Right, click and drag the block of the sprite area. Then you will click on pen control category. So after that click and drag the pen down. Click on the motion control category. You will click and drag move 10 step and turn 15 degree. So your sprite will be moved 10 step 1 to 30 and then turn the value 15 to Then we have when clicked block. So step 7, the block of the event category in the block menu is very useful. When the block is on the top of the block stack, the action of the block get executed when the green flag is on the top right corner of the stage screen. Then we have forever block. This is a control category runs block which is inside it over and over again, and you will use the stop button over there. Now adding sound. Now we want to add the sound. We have to give instruction to make the sprite speak. You will add musical notes also. Now, if you want to add the musical notes, you can add some musical notes also. Now click on the control block category in the block menu. Click and drag repeat block. Click on the look block category in the block menu and click and drag the next costume block on the sprite area. Click on the motion block category. Click and drag 25 steps ahead. Then click and drag play sound meow and click on the control block category. Now click and drag wait, and then the block will wait for few seconds. Right? Like this you can click and drag the block to the script area. Click on any of the block and to run the block step. Right? So like this you can use the different steps over here. Now sound blocks used in the play sound. This is used to play a specific sound. And you have to continue to the next block immediately. You can use this. Next is this block plays a drum sound for a specific number of beats. Click on the drum type by clicking drop down arrow which is next to the number of beats changing the value in the book. Right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.